Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by preparing the app and system. Update YouTube, then open System Settings. Once done, go straight to App's right arrow YouTube and grant background activity. Make sure battery optimization is off for YouTube. Also disable System Low Power or Battery Saver modes now because they forcibly pause background media. Do this immediately so playback won't be interrupted by the OS. You're removing the single most common cause of automatic pausing. Next, enforce background permissions and remove blockers. On Android, open Battery right arrow Battery Optimization right arrow All Apps, find YouTube and set to Not Optimized. Allow background data. On iPhone, enable Background App Refresh for YouTube and switch off Low Power mode. Also uninstall or disable any task killers, memory cleaners, or aggressive battery apps that revive and pause processes. Once these are configured, YouTube can finish by rebooting the device to apply changes and then play a 5 to 10 minute video to confirm continuous playback. If pausing continues, clear YouTube's cache or reinstall the app. That resolves corrupted state issues. If it still stops, check for overlays, VPN, or accessibility apps that can interrupt media. Disable them temporarily. This combined approach is the only reliable way to prevent OS-driven pauses. Follow these steps, and you should no longer see unexpected stops.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.